These are the elevators here at the Fairmont Hotel, Washington, D.C. We got some Otis Series M2s here. Look to be older M2s at that, too. Here we are in 10. Sorry. Judging by the doors, it looks like these might have been Series 1s originally. Let's get a look at this hotel. Very nice. I'll have to do some more exploring later. I'm wondering if the services are original, but let's head back down. These are definitely Series 1 style brails. We got this one. Huh.
Going down.
Alright.
Going down.
Let's go to B. These are very nice. Of course, brass handrails and accents, just like many fancy hotel elevators in DC have.
Floor.
We're on B. It's the basement, not the
Going
B
up.
floor. Get it right. Back up to 10. Yeah, the doors don't sound too good.
Floor.
You're on 10.
Going down.
Back down to B.
B. Floor. Going up.
Set that car up.
Going up.
Oh, wow. Lovely. Look at this, though. This is the ballroom level. Wow, this is gorgeous. Do too much snooping around because there's cameras down here, but let's go back up one more time. This one doesn't talk. Go with this one, and then I'll end on the lobby. Very smooth. This one definitely runs better than the last one that talked. And we'll end on lobby. watch L go out. And here we are. That'll be it.